Today I'm setting off from home. I'm driving 1,000 kilometers to Wuppertal in Germany, which is a beautiful town. It has this really cool monorail going through the center of it. And I want to capture that for myself, but also with the car. This is the first point on a 6-week trip throughout Europe. There's going to be incredible places and locations that I'm going to visit, places that I've never even seen before. I'm incredibly excited to have this opportunity to drive the Bentley Continental GT Speed Hybrid throughout Europe, and I'm going to be bringing you all along for the journey. So subscribe, put that notification bell on, because it's going to be incredible. Each day is going to be slightly different, and today's video is quite literally a car park. Okay, forgot everything. Park, yes, drop forward. Hello. Today, I'm here in Wuppertal, I can't actually pronounce it. I'm going to be shooting the car here a bit more, but I've been up here on this car park for the last 10 minutes, just rushing around getting some shots of the sunset, as you can see in the background. You can see some of the photos on the screen, and to be honest, it was a very impromptu shoot. I was leaving the car park because I'd come into the car park because I was going to the shopping centre, and I thought, this is actually quite a nice car park. I mean, the rooftop is actually not accessible, but it's a very nice view. Now, I'm here in Wuppertal. I can't say it properly, so I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, because there is a monorail here that I want to get a photo of, both for street and also for car stuff. Now, because this is an impromptu shoot today, and I mean, this is a very good example of you can get photos anywhere. It's the end of the day, the car park is completely empty, and I mean, it's dead, there's no one here. And I did have my camera with me, and I was like, well, it would be a bit of a waste if I didn't get some photos while I was here. So just coming down the stairs, cars over there in the distance, 28mm, 125th of a second. Let's change that a bit, we'll go 200th of a second, ISO 250, f 2.8. Just jump over this do not enter sign. I was looking at the ramps, but I don't want to be the guy that's on a ramp when a car comes, because I don't have anyone else with me. But I think this is a very good example of just take your camera everywhere you go. Okay, I understand the situation. I do appreciate that I've got a Bentley with me, and I'm like, well, why not? It's a Bentley. It looks beautiful. Where else do I want to put this? Now, that isn't lost on me that I am driving a Bentley around, and it is obviously easier when the vehicle you are driving looks really nice. But that being said, there could be other vehicles around. Is this something here? Let's have a look. I need to go here and pay anyway. Oh, yes, it is. Maybe. Let's have a look. Park her up. Now, typically, you would have a CPL with you and different lenses, etc. But I've just got the 16-28, no CPL because I wasn't intending to shoot today. And to be honest, I mean, that's fine. That's okay. You don't need to overcomplicate things sometimes. I mean, it's easier said than done, of course. I appreciate that. We all do it. But you have to sometimes just take a step back and go, that's fine. That'll do. I mean, these are don't want to say simple photos because I'm thinking about what I'm doing. So we've got this cool contraption over here, but there's this, and I'm thinking, can I frame the car somehow with that? Does that move? Oh, that's really seen better days. Oh dear, I wouldn't put my life on that. Okay, I think I can, but I'm gonna have to move the car. And it's kind of at the wrong angle. But we can make that work. Let's move the car. Front. Yeah, we'll go front. Front on. Squeezing in. And the perfect thing about this Bentley is it's a hybrid. So around the city, it's calm, quiet, peaceful. Listen, no noise. Not leery, not too loud. Subtle, which actually, when you're doing shoots like this on a car park, is a good thing, because sometimes security or interested people, which of course they're allowed to be interested, come along and like, oh, what are you doing? Because obviously they hear the car. But when you're in stealth mode, that's what I'm going to call it from now on, when you're in stealth mode, you don't have that problem. If I've got that right first time, I'm going to be very happy. Moment of truth. Yes! I mean, I know I'm just parking the car, but still. Go me. Let's go 16. Get super close to that, get a nice frame. I probably could come a bit closer, actually. What a beautiful evening. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow as well. So, and actually, we're coming into summertime, so I'll be surprised if there's many bad days up ahead. Now, I am going to be doing daily videos like this, super to the point, and just showing you really how easy it can be sometimes. And I get, ow! I keep getting an electric shock off the car, and it's because of the shoes I'm wearing. Oh yeah. You know what, that's very... It's okay. It's not bad. But I've been up here for about 15 minutes, and I've got, what, 15 images, I think? Now, I do really appreciate Bentley for making this happen, because I can't get over how incredible this experience is going to be and is so far. Okay, it's only day one, but oh, it's incredible. There's no one around, by the way. There's no one in this car park at all. I need to go and pay. Can I please tell me I could pay in here? Yes. I wouldn't normally do this, like, you know, on the road or anything like that. I'm only doing it because, look, there's no one. There's no cars, there's no one, there's no people. So be responsible when driving. I've got a token. It's really weird. I've never seen this before. It's a token. This is the car parking thing. I'm not entirely sure how this works. You're going to tell me you only take notes, aren't you? Great. Maybe downstairs. I'll park the car and go and have a look. Oh, God, that was a mission. There was none of them that took cards, so that's how much this shoot has cost me. Ooh, €3. It's not too bad. I had to walk and get cash. Oh, God. Take my money. Doesn't want to take the money. Money is taken. Don't give me all coins. Ugh. Great. Oh well. I think that was an affordable shoot. €3. I was here roughly 2 hours. We're going down to the shopping centre as well. Look at that. Honestly, Bentley, this colour is immaculate. I really love this orange. There's something about it that's just... I can't wait to take this through the Alps and go down into Italy and Monaco. It is going to be an unbelievable trip. And I'm going to be trying to do a video every day, taking a photo every day. Maybe not just of the car, but obviously these beautiful cities and places I'm going to be going. I'm going to be shooting in the street, car photography, just lifestyle, maybe some updates, stuff like that. But every day along this journey, I'm going to be doing a video. Like I mentioned at the start of the video, this is, well, effectively day one. I drove from Pembrokeshire in Wales to Düsseldorf yesterday, and it was a long drive. It was about 14 hours in total by the time I actually got into the hotel room and trying to find one, etc, etc. For those that want to know, or maybe you don't want to know, but I'll update you anyway. The cost of yesterday. So the train itself was £200, which is Eurotunnel. You can get it cheaper if you book in advance. The fuel, I spent £90 initially, and then another, I think it was £80 before I crossed over. I'm here, so 90 plus 80. I'm gonna, by the end of it, I'll do an entire breakdown of costs, how much this entire trip cost me. The hotel was £190, which wasn't too bad considering it was last minute. Everything was booked last minute. The rest of the trip is going to be a little bit more advanced. I'm in Prague for something very exciting, which maybe you know by now. Who knows? I don't know when I'm going to be putting these videos out, but very excited for Prague. If you've seen those videos already, amazing, unbelievable. I can't wait to get there because I've never been to Prague. And I'm going to be actually going to a lot of different places along here that I've never been. 2 new countries, which is Czechia and Austria on the way down. Honestly, I'm so excited for this trip. And if you're interested in following along, hit subscribe, hit notification bell so you get notified every day when I upload. It's going to be a journey. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know where we're going to go. I don't know what situation we're going to be in. But it's going to be fun, and I'm going to video every single day to show you that you can too. I'm going to sneeze in a minute. Oh, God. With all that being said, create more, stress less, presets, everything down in the description if you want to edit like me. Subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow, same time. Peace, love, go shoot.